Yep, so I'm out here working on a 2007 Ford Fusion. A friend of mine, and the transmission is leaking, unfortunately. Yeah, so they're saying the transmission doesn't work, won't go into gear. So I put fluid in it already, and it's starting to shift. But when I moved it out, there's a bunch of fluid coming out of there. So I got it jacked up. Oh man, I can edit this so if I mess up. Okay, now, so I found the leak, unfortunately, and it is under the car. Where the heck is it at? Oh my god. Yeah, there's two hoses leaking. You can see some of the drippage. So I gotta take this cover off to get to it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's see what I can do from there. It's my 30th video. And they suck, but at least I'm getting better. It doesn't seep through. I don't want that in my...
Here comes sideways.
Hold on. I want it this way because... Crap. No, I want it this way because I gotta do it on the whole backside. Now, you messed it up because you started talking. I'll just edit you're talking out. Now, this car is not gonna go anywhere. Let's see. Make sure the jack stands are good, because I'm not dying with this thing. Alright. Now, looks like I gotta take all these clips out. We'll take this cover off and we shall proceed. Okay, getting this cover off here. There. We're gonna find out where this is at. 2007 Ford Fusion. Okay, getting this cover off, this front cover. We got a couple more bolts to get off of here. So this is the last bolt here. Or actually, this plastic inserts. I've already took all the bolts out, but there's 4 plastic inserts you have to pull out. So here we go. Here's the last one. Bam. These right here. What the hell? There we go, we got that sucker off. Now we can see what's going on here. Wow. Yeah, man, it's been dripping all the way down through this whole line's been dripping. I hope this line's not ruptured. If this line is ruptured, then this is a whole nother story. As you can see, it's dripping all the way down this edge. Are you ready? Okay, go. There's the leak, my friend. Yep, that's it. That's the leak. Okay, turn off. I got this off here, and there was as you saw, it was leaking, so I think I'm going to do a temporary fix and bypass that leak with some hose just to get it running and see if this transmission works. Transmission works, then I will buy a whole new line to replace it. So this is the person's car we're fixing. Oh, yeah, she found it on Autozone, and I'm going to use this transmission hose line kit. Costs $10. We're just going to use this hose to bypass and use the 2 hose clamps. Bam. Alright, take that and we're going to go order it. Okay. Got it off, man. Just got that sucker off. Yeah, I didn't take that part, but anyway. So, I'm going to actually bypass this leak with this hose we got from Autozone. So that's what I'm doing. Bam. Got it. We got to bypass this baby. Then we got to test this transmission. Okay, we got that off. And I've installed my hose. Pushed it all the way over that. Okay, I got a lot to edit out now, because I'm not going to put all that in there. Okay, I'm back here and I got it. I'm measuring it up, lining it up. So I got to hurry up here. I think I'm going to cut it about right down. So I got the connection. I got the connector on. Yes, bypass. So now we should be able to get this thing going now. Perfect. Perfect bypass setup just to get the transmission going.